evening, Stampin' Friends. This is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and I have a cute card project for you tonight. It's made with the Christmas Crowd stamp set, and we're going to use the frosted frame dies. They're in the new holiday catalog. We're going to be using the double snowflake and the little foliage one here. You're going to need for this project 2 pieces of Whisper White cardstock that are cut using the rectangular frame stitch dies, the largest frame die, and then the next smallest one, which is the one we're going to be coloring on. You're going to need a pretty large scrap of silver foil and a card base of Seaside Spray that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start off by cutting out our silver frame. We're going to put our foil down. We need the largest rectangular stitched frame for this. Placing that on the magnetic platform. And then out the middle, we're going to cut our foliage as well as our snowflakes. Okay, so once you've poked all that paper out of the dies, this is what you'll be left with. You got 2 snowflakes, 2 pieces of foliage, and the frame for your card. For our little Santa stamp, we're going to ink that up with Memento ink, which is perfect for using with the Stampin Blends markers, which is how we're going to color this in. So we're going to kind of stamp this a little bit up because we have a piece of ribbon we need to put around the bottom of this. So you want to center that on your card and give it a good press. And then we're going to also, in the corner, do our sentiment. So we got this out. There's a merry little hello up in the far corner. And then while we got the ink out, we're also going to stamp our sentiment for the inside. Let's set this aside for a sec. This is the sentiment we're going to do on the inside. Make sure you're doing it in landscape. Aside for a second. And I'm going to go back to this one, and we're going to do our coloring. And for our coloring, we have several markers we're going to be using. This is the light smoky slate, dark seafoam, light crumb cake, dark pineapple punch, dark Seaside Spray, dark petal pink, ivory, and then this is light soft suede. So you're just going to basically color these in. Got the coloring gun. Take some of this nice Seaside Spray Ribbon. Gonna cut a piece to go around the bottom. Just gonna cut a little bit of snail on the back here. Just gonna wrap it around. Here. Just want to pull that a little bit tight. Okay, you got that all tucked. You can attach this to our foil frame at that point. Okay. Once you have that centered, you can attach it to the front of your card. Center that in the middle. And the next thing you're going to want to do is make a double bow for the front. So you're going to grasp between your middle finger and your thumb and have a little bit of a tail. And I'm going to wrap it around our fingers once, twice, 3 times until it comes up in the center. I'm going to give us a little bit of a tail. And you're going to take this long tail, flip it over and go in between the V and your fingers. And you're going to pull it back up away from you. And then you're going to tuck this end under the knot by your thumb. So you're going to push this up under here. Pull it out the other side. It's basically making a slip knot. You're just going to tug on it. And then you have a double bow, like that. And you can just kind of adjust it so it looks nice. I'm going to put a glue dot on the back of your double bow. And then we're going to place that on our ribbon where we want it. Trim these tails down a little bit, they're just a little too long. Grab one of our glue dots here. Just gonna go behind here and tuck this in behind our ribbon. I'm gonna do the same with this piece. Grab another glue dot. I'm just going to tuck this up under here. Like so. And then with the smaller snowflake, I'm just going to under my sentiment. I'm going to play the inside of our card. With the last snowflake, we're going to do the same thing. Go ahead and fold our card base down. And to finish this off, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glitter. We're gonna use the ice Stampin' glitter, just a little bit of liquid glue. And there you have it. That's our Christmas crowd colored card using subtle colors. If you like this project and would like to see more of my videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel.